going on, guys? Today we'll see how we can generate a Coursera certificate. So here's the data structure and algorithm and specialization. And what we will do in this video is to generate the certificate. So this is the sort of certificate that we will generate. So this is the certificate of data structure. So in order to get this certificate, you have to have this intermediate level, and approximately you have to spend 6 months. And so this is how you will get, and also you have to pay some amount of fee to get the certificate. So what we will be doing in this video, we'll generate the certificate of Coursera by just the Python script. So this is the Python script that I have designed to generate certificate of Coursera. So in order to run this, you have to type this Python image.py. So okay, so it is asking me to whom you want to certify. So basically I will write here my name. So okay, so it is saying that I've been certified. Let's see where is my certificate. Okay, so I got my certificate. So I can generate any number of certificates here by just running this script, and it's again asking to give the name. So now I will give my friend name. Say Karthik. Okay, so Karthik certificate has been generated. Let's see. Okay, so it has been generated. So I can run any number of times, and whatever perspective I want to use this. So let's again make it for something like Tamil. Okay, so Tamil certificate has also been generated. So this is how simple it is to get the certificate of Coursera, and also you can get the PY code in my GitHub repository. I have attached the link in the description. So get there and fetch it, and can also amend the script. So this is how we converted this to the script. Thank you.